This one's a big one, but I think that's like a hotel or something. Here's the other tram. That one's going fast.
Yeah, well, we're going the same speed, sweetie.
Oh, okay.
It's just that we're crossing. Here we go.
These are nice houses. Look at that one. That one was purple.
That one down there.
That one that we just went over. And what is this one? Is it like a little school or something?
I don't know. It says
one
it's
must be
CD
like,
Northwest.
This one must be like a library or something.
No, those are apartments
Oh
or
yeah.
condos. Okay, here comes the big tower.
What is that? The big tower.
Come into the tower, little swing as we go by, and watch your balance, please.
Are those like apartments?
This is an office building, I think, mostly.
You're just like in a bucket, basically. There's no like bubble.
And bikes. More docking.
And then the second goes is totally closed in. Like you actually reset your board and stuff on the outside.
And I want to walk around a little bit.
You want to walk around a little bit? Okay.
That's the chair. Yeah, the chair like the seats and the
I wonder why they go slow right
they have like
here.
4-inch plexiglass that comes down in cases
Few bumps going into docking.
Whatever. It's all new and like still pretty nice, but I try as hard as I can. It's all the time going. So my understanding is we go both days.
The big wheels turning around. And here's some people waiting. I'm videotaping, so you can't get away.
That was so nice.
Have a good day, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. All right.
So
You saw what?
I smell